These are the elevators at the UPMC Hillman Cancer Center at UPMC Shadyside in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Dover or Thyssen Dover elevators. SPF elevators are traditional fixtures installed in the late 90s, early 2000s. See which one opens. This one. We'll get out in the basement. And here we go down. There's PA elevators, smashing buttons. This elevator A. Interesting how they do levers. Here's the basement. Up to 4. That's a Dover bell. The ground floor bell's not Dover. I don't think. Here we go. Maybe it is. You're at 4.
Oh boy, it's the nerd.
Here at 4. Wait, those ones go up. Interesting. So we'll go back down the ground. Heyday phone. Basic stainless steel cabs.
Jowramator just FaceTime me.
While I was filming an elevator. William M. Cooper Pavilion. Back of ground. Let's see if there's any other elevator show. I doubt there are, but we'll try.
That was my fault.
Whoa. Wait, what is the next one you get?